When you try to open any app on your phone, you can see this error. Your trusted insurance guide. Continue with a short ad problem. You can see this error. This video I show you how to fix this problem. First of all, swipe down notification panel, then click on settings, then tap on apps, then tap on HD video downloader, tap on it, scroll down, tap on home app, then go back to your original phone launcher, my case Pixel launcher, system launcher or any other launcher, tap on it, long press this application, then tap on app info, now tap on uninstall, then okay. Now I hope that this method fix your trusted insurance guide. Continue with a short ad problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.